Hey, it's Doug from Magnify, and in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to capture a case study video from your happy customer, right? Utilizing Magnfi Plus. So let me tell you the difference between a video testimonial and a case study video. So a video testimonial request is you could send a request for video testimonial, right? They can record a up to 50-second video testimonial, super quick, super awesome, really unique, right? The authenticity of them recording their video testimonial on a smartphone, tablet, or computer with a webcam, right? They read a simple little note from you, they record their video testimonial, they're done. Now with a case study video is kind of like a video testimonial on steroids, right? It just has a lot more power as well, right? So it's a little more in-depth too, it's very specific. So case study video is you're able to send a happy customer three simple questions on a video, and then what they do is they see that first question come up, and then they record their answer, right? And then they'll see the next question come up, record their answer, and they'll see that third question come up, and they'll record their answer. Up to 30 seconds each clip, right? They have up to 30 seconds to answer that question that you want to ask them. So, and then when they're done, Magnify will take those three video clips. Your logo will come up with a little bit of stylized zoom animation, or if you have a really cool custom opener, right, add that to your edit profile. So the logo will come up with a little stylized zoom animation. The first question will come up that you ask them, right, in text form, and then it'll fade that out, and it'll bring up the answer of that person talking on video. And then it'll fade that out, brings up question two. They answer question two, brings up that video, right? Then question three will come up. The person will answer that question on video, right? That answer on video. It'll fade that out, bring up your call to action, and then bring up your logo at the very end. So it's totally produced end to end. It's really beautiful. Let's get right into it. Super easy to do. So you'll see capture a case study video. You'll see if you're not a Plus user, you're going to see Plus only, right? Super easy to switch to Plus. You just click on subscription and you switch over to Plus. It's really easy. Try it free for 7 days, right? So click on capture a case study video. And the first thing you want to do is input that customer's information, their first name, last name, and their email. All right, I'm going to go ahead and just throw my stuff in there. All right, Magnfi.com, and then you come to question one, right? So we want to keep questions easy and quick to read, right? So let's say, how did you like our, let's just say pizza, right? Let's say they're a pizza, but how'd you like your pizza, right? And then come to question two. Was it delivered on time, right? Then how would you recommend Joe's Pizza? All right, let's fix that. Boom, love spell check, right? So first question, how'd you like our pizza? Question two, was it delivered on time? Third question, how would you recommend Joe's Pizza? Then you come to step two. So you pick that background music for the video, right? Because you pick all your stuff before you send the request out. That way you get back a fully produced video ready to go. And the beauty about it with Magnify Plus is that it's totally unlimited, right? Do as many of these as you want to. So come down, pick your music. We're just going to pick ready to go. Include a call to action, right? So I'm going to come down to my call to action area. Pick from my drop-down menu, you can see what that call to action is going to look like, right? Very simple, very clean, white background and black text. Or if you have a really cool customized call to action image, right? You want to upload maybe the back part of your business card, or just a simple image that's full color, right? You don't want to utilize the white background with black text, right? But white background, the black text is really clean, really cool, right? So call to action, you pick from the drop-down menu, right? So the ever popular choices of call today, or the learn more, or there's tons of different ones. Or if you want to write your own, you totally can. As long as you keep it to 16 characters or less, you can input whatever you want here. But we're going to put learn more. And then one click add your phone number, one click add your email, and then website URL. Magnify pre-populates that. But if you want to change this to whatever you want to, you can input whatever you want here. So if you want to delete this out and put, the hashtag, whatever you wanted to do, right? Then you come to step three, you click save, and then send request. Beautiful, right? And that's it. What they do is they answer those three questions on video, and they're able to see those on their smartphone, their tablet, their computer with a webcam, and then you're going to get back a fully produced video ready to share, ready to go. It's that simple, that easy. Play around with it, enjoy it, and I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial.